Today we'll talk about how can you change phone number on your Clubhouse app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above here, your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on your name, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on phone number. When you just click on phone number, it's going to take you to this list. So then here add your phone number here. Then you click here on next. Then it's going to send to you a code. Then you add it. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.